I'd like to think this is the cheapest IS250 in the country. If any of you watch Hoovy's Garage, or what's the other guy called? Tavarish. There we go. Nathan's shed. A bit dirty in here. Got to clean inside. Don't think I've got else to show you really. Buttons, speedos, radio, air conditioning, seats. It's got the lot. It's very average and very boring and very Japanese. But there we go. Vroom, vroom. One of the features of this car is keyless entry. So as I approach the car, one of the things that will happen, I'll show you that first, is these lights underneath the mirrors will come on as I get close to the car. I call those puddle lights. And the other thing with keyless entry, you just have to sort of tap behind the door and it will unlock. There we go.